Adding elements to the Nebula visual is pretty simple. So what you need to do is go to the bottom right corner to this button with the plus sign. You click on it, you select which element you want to add. So let's say, for example, rectangle. And the element will always appear at the top left corner. And then you can move it, you can resize it, apply settings to it, and so on. You can also add different elements. So you can say, I want a circle, for example. It's also going to appear up in the top left corner. And then you can resize your circle the way you want it. And then, for example, if you want to add uh, an element that is already on the page, you can say either you can right click and you can say, I want to duplicate it, or you can simply press Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and it's going to duplicate and copy and paste as well.